guys, welcome back. Into this video I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to make a sugar scrub. So if you are interested, please keep watching. So to create this super easy sugar scrub, you need a very few, like minimum ingredients, okay? So the first thing you will need will be some granulated sugar, which I will be measuring. Okay, that much. I might be adding more, I don't know yet. It depends on the consistency that I get, okay? So now, the next thing you will be adding to this will be some coconut oil. I'm gonna be adding some aloe vera juice, okay? Like so. And the next ingredient is some apricot oil. Okay, let's mix it up. The next ingredient we'll be adding here will be some vitamin E oil. Few drops. You guys know we cannot live on this channel without vitamin E oil. Like, it is one of our golden products. Okay, this recipe is very fast. We will be out of here in no time, I promise. Okay, so the next ingredient we'll be adding in this is some liquid foaming gel, okay? So I'm gonna be adding this much, like so. Okay. Okay, can you see this? The consistency have changed. Okay, with this, I believe we have to add more sugar because I don't like this consistency. I need more sugar in it. I don't want it running and all of that. All right. Okay. So this is what we left with after adding a little bit of our foaming gel. Ooh, can you see this? Looking lovely. So I'm gonna be adding a little bit more of our foaming gel in here. We are not using the stand mixer and all of that. I'm using just my regular spatula to keep this ball rolling, okay? Okay, I'm liking the consistency, but I still need more sugar in here. Okay. I feel like I'm baking right now. All right. Oh, my arm hurts. But anyway, I don't know if you can really see this, but this consistency is everything, okay? Next thing I'm gonna be doing, because I wanna do two different colors, I'm gonna be splitting it into two parts and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be using some yellow liquid dye. Don't worry, it's a lip product, so I'm sure it's safe for skin, okay? I'm gonna be adding a few drops, like so. Can you see me? Okay. I'm gonna go like so. I'm loving the yellow. I'm ready to I'm gonna be adding more. I'm still mixing. I'm still blending with you guys. Look at the consistency. Bomb, like it's bomb. Okay. I'm using some elbow grease over here, but it's all worth it. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side and I'm gonna bring this on board. Okay. For this one, I'm gonna be adding this yellow green color in it, like so. Beautiful green. We're doing this summer, okay? We're going crazy in summer. So yeah, it's crazy, but I just love the consistency. Like, look at it, look. Oh my God, bomb, bomb. Like, I hope you guys like this video. The only thing that is hard about this is the mixing process. So I'm gonna be adding some preservative. That much. I'm gonna be using another spoon for the other color. Let us not forget it's two different colors here and they're not together, so we gotta mix them separately. Okay. All right. Let's keep mixing. Now we know our product is already preserved and safe, so mix our product nicely. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.